Abbey Glen's an industrial laundry, and we currently do linen for hotels, workwear, chef's wear for different types of companies. We've been going for over 100 years. Currently we're just out of the one factory we've now got in Sheffield, this new large dedicated factory. We currently employ around about 145 employees, but that does get up to sort of 200 during the summer. We've been working with Center Parcs for around about 35 years. So we delivered the first laundry into Center Parcs in June 1987, I believe, and the guy that delivered it in is the current chairman and owner of Abbey Glen. Center Parcs has two exchanges. So it has a big exchange on a Monday, a big exchange on a Friday, a midweek towel exchange. So we're up there more or less every day of the week. Probably look at an average of about 50,000 pieces a week, but that can go up to about 60. Center Parcs are a great business to work with. The relationship works on all levels. The business has grown from strength to strength, which is always the benefit of having good customers. Where you've got good customers, it gives you confidence to invest in new kit, improve your carbon footprint, so it's a really good beneficial relationship for Abbey Glen.